Hi guys, today I'll be showing you insanely useful tips to share personal hotspot between iOS devices that you might never realized. If you like the channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when a new video is released. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. With the tips that I'm about to show you, your iPhone personal hotspot or Wi-Fi is always at the ready-to-use mode, or in other words, on-demand mode. Apple introduced this awesome feature a while ago, but not many people would know how to use it properly or take advantage of it. What's even more surprising is that some people don't even know that it exists. They just use the old-fashioned way of personal hotspot sharing, which is to turn on the personal hotspot toggle so that the receiver devices can share the Wi-Fi from there. Also, with the old hotspot sharing method, if it is always on, it will consume lots of battery, and all the previously connected devices will be automatically connected to that personal hotspot iPhone, making it hot and consume the battery even much faster. On the other hand, with my method, there are three main benefits. First of all, your personal hotspot toggle doesn't need to be on, which will save some battery life. Second, only iDevices that use the same iCloud account as your personal hotspot iPhone or iPad can use this Wi-Fi sharing. Third, you don't need to type in the password when connecting to this personal hotspot, making it uniquely safe. Now let me demonstrate how my method works. First of all, you need to make sure that your personal hotspot iPhone and other iDevices are signed in using the same iCloud account. So if you take a look at my Mac iCloud account here, this is my iCloud account. Now I have connected two of my iPhones to show you that these two iPhones are also signed in with the same iCloud account. So go to settings, you can see here, it's the same iCloud account, same name, this one as well. So this is my iPhone 8 Plus, this is 6S. I can share from here to my iMac here or my other iPhone. That's the first step you need to have. So sign in all your iDevices with the same iCloud account. Second, you need to make sure that you turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles, both the iPhone with personal hotspot sharing and the receiver devices. You can see here my Mac, I turned both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggle on. My iPhone 8 Plus, I also turn it on, both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This one as well, my 6S, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So after you've done that, you're good to go. Also, remember, this is the Wi-Fi sharing on demand, which means you can use it whenever you want as long as the two devices are near each other, roughly 10 meters or less. So let's say I want to share from my iPhone 8 Plus to my Mac and also this iPhone. If you click on the Wi-Fi icon here, you can see it automatically detect that iPhone 8 Plus. It shows you the LTE strength. If I connect it to it, I am using LTE. And now it shows me another one because it can also share the personal hotspot because it also has a SIM card in it. It's a 4G. I want my iPhone 6S to use the Wi-Fi from here. So I just click on Wi-Fi. It shows me my iPhone 8 Plus. One great thing about this is you do not need to type in the password. Whatever password is set, you don't have to type it in. And also, you can see my personal hotspot here. It's off, it's not on, so it does not consume your battery. So again, you just wait for it to show up and you click on it, it starts connecting. As you can see on my iPhone 6S, right here, you can see it's connected to my iPhone 8 Plus. Because I'm recording using this feature here, that's why I show red at the top. Both my iPhone 6S and my iPhone 8 Plus showing the red at the top. You can share with as many devices as you want to. I can connect my iMac to this iPhone 8 Plus personal hotspot as well. Just wait for it. Here, it's connected now. See, it works. So again, if you want to change, let's say I want to change from here to here. Let's say I want to connect it to iPhone 6S. Just click it. You don't have to type in the password. Wait for it to connect. Here, it's connected. The personal hotspot feature is always on demand, which means it's always on. So when you don't want to share your personal hotspot, just turn your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off, and then this personal hotspot on demand feature will be deactivated automatically. And then if you want to use your personal hotspot again, just turn both your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. The personal hotspot on demand will be reactivated. Another thing you should note here as well is that if for some reason, like after restarting your iPhone or resetting your network settings in your iPhone, the personal hotspot hotspot sharing, if it stops showing up, what you have to do is you have to sign out your iCloud and sign it back in. And don't sign out iClouds from all other devices, just only the device that you want to share personal hotspot with others, and you're good to go. It will work again. That's just in case if it stopped working. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.